F-A-C-E face. Face means chehra. H-E-A-D head. Head means sir. H-A-I-R hair. Hair means baal. F-O-R-E-H-E-A-D forehead. Forehead means matha. E-Y-E-B-R-O-W eyebrow. Eyebrow means bhohe. E-Y-E eye. Eye means aankh. E-Y-E-L-I-D eyelid. Eyelid means palak. C-H-E-E-K chick. Chick means gal. N-O-S-E nose. Nose means naak. E-A-R ear. Ear means kan. L-I-P lip. Lip means hont. T-H-E-E-T-H teeth. Teeth means daant. M-O-U-T-H mouth. Mouth means muh. N-E-C-K neck. Neck means gardan. S-H-O-L-D-E-R shoulder. Shoulder means kandha. C-H-E-S-T chest. Chest means chhati. B-A-C-K back. Back means peat. H-A-N-D hand. Hand means haath. E-L-B-O-W elbow. Elbow means kohni. A-R-M arm. Arm means baah. F-I-N-G-E-R finger. Finger means ungli. T-H-U-M-B thumb. Thumb means angutha. P-A-L-M palm. Palm means hatheli. N-A-I-L nail. Nail means nakhun. S-T-O-M-A-C-H stomach. Stomach means pet. N-A-V-E-L Navel. Navel means nabhi. T-H-I-G-H thigh. Thigh means jang. K-N-E-E knee. Knee means ghutna. L-E-G leg. Leg means tang. F-O-O-T foot. Foot means pair. H-E-E-L heel. Heel means edi.